but I want to break down what we need to do now to change our financial tomorrow. All right, here's the very first thing. N stands for name the goal, AKA vision. Name the goal, name the vision. If your money doesn't have a purpose, doesn't have an assignment, doesn't have a direction, it will always find a where to disappear. Say this again. If your money doesn't have an assignment, if your money doesn't have a purpose or a direction that it needs to go into, it will always find a way to disappear. No direction, it disappears. Because what happens if we don't have a direction? We can go all over the place. And next thing you know, when we look up, our money is gone. You gotta name the vision. What do you want your life to look like at 40? If you're in your 30s. Some of you all who are watching right now, I want to ask you this question. You're in your 20s. What do you want your life to look like in the 30s? What do you want your life to look like in the 40s? I'm 41, and this month I'm taking some time to myself and I'm asking myself, hey, what do I want my life to look like this time next year and in my 50s? I was just talking to my parents and I said, man, you all are in your 60s and you're getting to a season to where you all should not be working anymore. What do you want that life to look like? And let me say this up front. We gotta stop saying, oh, I wanna be rich. Let's be honest. Most people are stressed and stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle because they were never taught how money actually works. That is exactly why I built this channel. Every week, my team and I are breaking down how to master your money, how to get out of debt, save, invest, and build wealth without borrowing a dime. No fluff, no hype, just real money talk that actually helps you win financially. You see, because money impacts every aspect of our lives, our peace, our relationships, and even our future. If you don't take control of it, it will control you. And if you're tired of just surviving and you're ready to build wealth God's way, you're in the right place. Over 900,000 people have already subscribed to our YouTube channel with over millions of downloads on our Apple and Spotify podcasts. Now, when we hit 1 million on YouTube, we're giving away $30,000 to help you get out of debt and to start building legacy. So listen, don't just watch. Hit that subscribe, family. Join this community. Let's build real wealth. Let's build real financial freedom together. It's your boy. Hit that subscribe. Let's get back to the show. As a matter of fact, before we keep going, Ed, put a 10-second timer up right now. I want you to ask yourself that right now. What do you want your life to look like in the next 10 years? Think about it right now. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. And if you said, man, I wanna be rich, I wanna have a house, I wanna have a car, I wanna travel the world, no. I want you to get specific. What do you mean by specific, Anthony? I want $100,000 saved by the time I'm 40. I want to buy a home in the next 24 months for my family. I want to leave $250,000 behind for each one of my kids' cash. I'm single with no kids, no family. I want to have $35,000 saved for the wedding, $25,000 saved for the honeymoon, and $250,000 saved to put down towards a home for when I find my wife. So this way, when we go on the honeymoon, we come back to the house that we built for us. I'm not moving in her house. She ain't moving in my house. We're building our own home. But before I'm married, I'm already thinking about my future. When? Now. I'm naming the goal and the vision. I don't know if God is going to allow me to have kids. Prayerfully, I do have kids, but if not, I'm honestly okay with not having kids at 41. But because I do know that if God allows me to have it, in the future. I got to prepare for it now. So I've already opened up a 529 account for all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my nephews. Plus I have another one specifically for my children. So when I meet my wife now, I can look at her on our honeymoon and say, baby girl, we have a kid already got a couple $100,000 saved for their college or for their future. You know what, baby girl, you have a son. Listen, I want to contribute because marrying you, woo, was good. Marrying you, I've also taken the responsibility to be a great bonus father. I'm not going to sit here and neglect or wish anything negative on your child's father already. I want to partner with both of you all on raising that person. I want to sit down with that kid's father and say, hey, listen, I'm not here to take your life away, to remove you. No, I want to partner and serve. Now, you are no longer with her. That's mine. But you all created something amazing, and I want to be a part of that. So listen, man, I've been saving some money, and I am going to give a portion of that to your child to make sure that we as a unit prepare this kid to be and to have a solid future. We're naming the goal today. And oftentimes, y'all, we're not thinking about tomorrow. We're not. So you need to write this down. Goals that are not written are just wishes. Put your goals on the mirror. Put them in your phone. Put them on the wall next to your bed. Speak it, see it, and stick to it. Say it one more time. Speak it, see it, and stick to it. That's the first step. In the now, we gotta name it. Building credit the traditional way is slow and confusing, and most credit cards want you to rack up debt just to boost your score. You see, I used to think that you had to choose between staying debt-free or having a good credit score. But, here's what I've discovered. There's actually a way to build credit without any credit checks, without going into debt, and without paying crazy interest fees. And it works faster than I thought possible. See, my friends at Kickoff, they are the truth. They are doing something different. They help you build credit the right way without the debt trap. I've seen people go from no credit to a 700 plus score using their system. And they did it completely debt free. Say it one more time, completely debt free. Over 150,000 people have left 5-star reviews on the App Store. Users see an average of 34 points increase in their credit scores. Some even see, watch this, up to 84 points within the first 12 months. These aren't just numbers. These are real people getting approved for homes and getting better interest rates. Here's the truth. Every month you wait is another month of paying higher interest rates on everything. A good credit score can save you a lot of money. Thousands on a mortgage, hundreds on car insurance, and even help you skip the security deposits. Don't let bad credit cost you money. I want you to visit anthonyoneal.com/kickoff right now to get started for as little as $1 on your first month. I want you to build credit the debt-free way because your future self will thank you. Let's get to the O. Let's get to the next step. All right. When it comes to our money, now that we've named the goal, now we got to organize our accounts. So organize your accounts. Let me ask you this. If you looked at your bank accounts right now, would I see order or would I see chaos? I'm going to ask you the question again. If I open up your bank statement and you came and you sat down with me, would I see money all over the place? You see, too many of us have all of our money mixed together. Rent money, grocery money, emergency money, all swimming in the same pool. Let me say this way. Confused money doesn't grow. Let me say it one more time. Mixed money, confused money with no strategy doesn't grow.